If you're thinking about ordering this, or if you already did, you got to see this because you're going to get a kick out of it, and so is your kid. Spoilers ahead. Open the box. Make sure your kid is with you when you do this, or open it and then close it back up. Save it for them to do on their own. But you open it up and magical. This is the box. See this? It's a musical box. What a great idea to get kids excited about their new toothbrush. So this is just a fun little extra that AutoBrush thought to put into this product in the packaging, and how fun, how smart, how cute. My son got the dinosaur version of this, and his box noises and music was different. His was like kind of jungly, heavy drums. This is the unicorn one for 3 to 5-year-olds, which I believe the base is the same regardless of the age group that you got in, but the brush that you're going to get is different. For comparison, this is the 3 to 5-year-old brush. Here is my son's. I got him the size 6 to 8, so this is the difference. This little kid's one doesn't have the blue base. It also doesn't have these silicone bits on the outside here. Look at these extra little grippies. I mean, it makes it look cute. It also helps with grip. It's also kind of fun fidgety stuff for them if your kids are into fidgets, or if that helps them while they're brushing to have something to kind of play with. Let's put this on. There's just a hole in the bottom of this, and you just press it on, and there you have it. This so cute, too cute, adorable wireless charging base. Charging cord and a brick. Come on. It's a hard plastic. It's got nice little silicone feet for grip, and here is this form-fitted divot for where this plug goes. Now this plug is magnetic. You don't really have to do any work to get it to go in there. You just pop, plugged in, ready to go. Okay, we've got a few buttons on the brush. Right here is the power button. Boop. Here is where you press to get different brushing patterns. This changes the music. Here on this unicorn horn is a little light symbol, and that will change the color of the lights. Pressing it on, up. You can see all our buttons are beautifully glowing. This is what it looks like with both the red and the blue light on. I'll press this magical horn, and we've got the blue light, red light combo. This, every time you press it, changes color. These are different vibration settings and patterns. And then right here, we've got our different music settings. So let's turn it on. So it's vibrating. I don't know if you can see this. This is like the pulsing vibration. You can turn off the sound. This is like a standard fast vibration. This is a slower vibration. You can see it wobbling more. And here is the pulsing. Look at that. Intense. Long press to turn this off if you want to turn it off before it goes off on its own. They're so excited. Their box is open and they both just went, ow, when the music played. Like, we've been waiting for these for a long time. Anyway, here it is. I'll report back on how it goes once we've been using these for a little while. I hope this was helpful.